Okay, we are now on exercise 14. We're going to continue working on drawing flats, but this time we're going to use a croquis. I'm going to provide this on Blackboard, so go ahead and save it on your computer and click on it and open it on Illustrator. We can zoom in a little bit and always move this to the middle. If you don't have your rulers, make sure you go to View, Rulers, Show Rulers, so that you can see the rulers. And I'm going to go ahead and get a guide to find my midpoint on the dress. Now, in this case, I would recommend that you go open up your layers. And you can see that there are two layers here. I'm going to click on this plus sign to create another layer. And you can see that one of those layers is the croquis and the other one is the guide. So what I'll do is I'll lock these two layers so that we don't mess with them. We're going to do everything on this third layer on top. And before we start, I want to make sure our stroke is 2 points. And I'm going to select no fill. I'm also going to change this color because the croquis is black. So I want our lines to be more visible to you guys. So I'm going to select red for this. Okay, and now we're going to start with our pen tool. And we can decide what kind of outfit you want to do, but I'm going to go ahead and do something simple. You can always play with it, make it a little more exciting. Again, on the armhole, you want to create that curve and then go back to that point, like click out of it and then go back to that point and then pull it up. Okay. And I am done. We can always fix these things, and if you want to see it better, you can always click out of this or make it invisible so you can see where you are. I feel like my skirt isn't very straight, so I'm going to go to my direct selection, straighten that up. I also want to use my anchor point tool to curve these sharp points a little bit. Maybe here as well. I'm going to curve that a little bit. And you can always change the style too if you want. You know, we can make it more like, let me see my croquis. You can change if you want to make any, any other changes to this. I think I'm going to leave it as it is. So let's make this invisible again. So you want to make sure you select the entire thing. And then we're going to copy paste. And we go to our rotate tool and reflect tool to turn it. You have to click twice on it. And make sure the angle is 90 here and it has vertical selected. And then you just pull that up. Oops. Pull that and bring it together. And of course, we're going to join those edges. So we want to do that with our direct selection tool. You just select that point, object, path, join, and I think it automatically joins that, but we'll do that anyway. Okay, if you can move everything together as one piece, that means it's joined together. And now we are here. We can always put a fill on this as well. So we are done with it. That's basically all you have to do with this exercise. So it's pretty easy. I just wanted to show you guys how to work on the croquis instead of the grid. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this. This is exercise 14, drawing flats on Croquis. And this is also done now.